What's going on, guys? It's Katie back with AFI's DIYs, and today we'll be making lotion bars. It's great for your skin and will enhance your product line. Let's get started. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with a double boiler and we're gonna set the heat on low. The first ingredient we're gonna use is coconut oil, and we're gonna use 1/4 of that. This is a great natural ingredient to help dry and flaky skin. The next ingredient we're gonna use is shea butter. This is 1/4 cup, but if you have a scale, it's about 50 grams. The last ingredient we have is the beeswax. We have 1/4 cup measured here. Not only is it a great moisturizer, but it also helps the lotion stay a solid so you can take it to go. Once all the ingredients are added, you're gonna slowly mix it until everything is melted, but the beeswax will be the last thing to melt. Now for my favorite part, we'll be adding the fragrance. Today we'll be using lemon verbena. I chose this fragrance today because it's the perfect scent for summertime. For this product, we'll be adding 10 to 15 drops. This is optional, but I'll be adding 3 to 4 drops of vitamin E oil. We added vitamin E oil because not only does it help with the moisturizing effects, but it also adds a youthful appearance to your skin. You're gonna wanna wait a couple hours to let the lotion harden up. These smell so good and they look amazing. I can't wait to use this after tanning. Well, there you have it, guys, another AFI DIY. If you're interested in another DIY, click right there. Bye, guys.